If you're looking to upgrade your car stereo without the headache of complicated wiring, the Scosche Vehicle Wiring Harness is worth a look. Designed for vehicles with aux or USB inputs, this harness connects directly to your factory wiring without cutting a single wire. That means a clean, professional installation every time. Scosche has spent 40 years perfecting car stereo accessories, and their commitment to quality shows. This harness is made with factory-grade wires and connectors, ensuring durability and a perfect fit. It's an affordable solution that doesn't compromise on performance or reliability. What sets this product apart is the peace of mind it offers. Every Scosche wiring harness comes with a limited lifetime warranty, so you know it's built to last. Plus, their lifetime tech support means you can reach out anytime with questions or installation concerns, for as long as you own the product. Users rave about how easy the installation is. For example, owners of the 2011 Subaru STI without navigation report a perfect fit with no modifications needed. You simply connect the harness to the OEM wiring connector and plug the USB end into your aftermarket stereo. No messy cables running through your glove box or center console. This harness is ideal if you want to keep your vehicle's original USB port accessible while upgrading your sound system. It maintains the factory look and feel without sacrificing functionality. That subtle integration is what makes this product a smart choice for anyone serious about their car audio setup. If you're tired of tangled wires and complicated installs, this Scosche harness simplifies everything. It's a direct, plug-and-play solution that respects your vehicle's original design. Plus, the factory-quality materials mean it won't let you down over time. Worth a look if you want an easy, reliable way to connect your aftermarket stereo while preserving your car's factory wiring. The combination of quality, warranty, and lifetime support makes this a solid investment for your vehicle's audio system. Try it when you're ready to upgrade. With Scosche's proven track record and customer satisfaction, this wiring harness delivers what you need: a clean install, lasting performance, and support you can count on.